Hey guys, this is Azeen with Onyx Realty. I'm so excited to share with you our latest San Francisco listing in Sunset District. This house is located at 2034 19th Avenue. You don't want to miss it because this might be your dream house.
Nneka Jenkins here. We just finished this beautiful remodel, and I think the best part about this house is the spacious kitchen. Not only was the house completely remodeled, I love that we remodeled the downstairs, full bathroom, a place to do your work, and also a full bedroom. And there's workout station in the garage.
Yeah?
Let's take a look. We hope you enjoyed your tour today.
And if you need any more information, please feel free to reach out.